Pwede ka naman ano eh. Ito ka pa, nagpapalit naman ay.
Hindi, titignan mo lang kung nagpalit.
Hindi, nagpapalit talaga sa amin kasi makikita naman dito sa ano, sa monitor. Di ba makikita mo pa yung likes? Ito. Di ba, inom mo yung...
Kanta lang ako ah.
Ay, papasok
I
na
never...
dito. Alam mo, ito na.
Ay,
Kailangan mo ba ng tulong para ano? Kasi nasa Germany na, gano'n, lalabas dito sa ano namin.
Yung GPS?
Oh, dito sa GPS namin, kasi nakakonect na to eh, parang monitor namin eh.
Yung GPS yan.
Lalabas dito yan, papasok ng Germany. Lalabas yan, sabihin niya, ano, kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Ito ganyan, titigil sa'yo.
I've been loved so many times.
Nalabas yun.
True, I knew this goal. No, you twisted me so wrong. I can't take anymore. And it looks like I never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. I'm never gonna fall in love. I made it fall in love again. All those things I heard about you, I saw the ignorant with eyes. But when I caught you these arms, baby, I just broke down and cried. And it's look like I never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. I made it fall in love again. Last song, Idol Igor, big love shoutout. Salamat sa inyo lahat nga, mag-iin na ako ha. Salamat sa inyo lahat. I gave my heart Sicily. I got aside my pride. But when I feel someone else, baby, I broke up all inside. And it's look like I never gonna fall in love again. That's why I'm saying fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. Please don't make me fall in love again. Maraming salamat na, mag-iina ko. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa support. Dalawang oras na pala ako. Bye-bye.
Ako, 36. Puti bundok na.